Listen and practice. Monsoon diet. Foods to eat and avoid during rainy season. Many diseases arise in the rainy season. Most of these diseases are borne by eating. If you want to stay healthy in the rainy season, follow the following tips. Include probiotics in the diet. Opt for yogurt, buttermilk, cheese kefir, kombucha, and soybeans. Probiotics are packed with good bacteria that act on our digestive system and boost immunity. Hydration is key. Drinking enough water can eliminate toxins from the body and keep the digestive system healthy. Avoid raw vegetables. You need to have steamed or boiled veggies instead of raw veggies, as they are loaded with bacteria and viruses which can make you susceptible to stomach problems. Drink boiled water. You need to avoid drinking tap water. Try to carry a water bottle with you whenever you venture out for work or any other emergencies during monsoon. Stay away from seafood. Are you a seafood lover? Then, you will have to be careful during monsoon and limit the seafood intake. During the rainy season, water is contaminated, and the fish you may eat can give you diarrhea. Say no to green vegetables. It is a no-brainer that leafy green vegetables contain all the vital nutrients. But they are not recommended during the rainy season, as the humidity and dampness can invite germs. You may fall sick if you eat these veggies. If you take care of the above things, then diseases will not touch you in the rainy season. How to pronounce diseases. Diseases. Probiotics. Probiotics. Yogurt. Yogurt. Buttermilk. Buttermilk. Cheese kefir. Cheese kefir. Kombucha. Kombucha. Soybeans. Soybeans. Bacteria. Bacteria. Digestive system. Digestive system. Hydration. Hydration. Toxins. Toxins. Stomach. Stomach. Seafood. Seafood. Nutrients. Nutrients. Humidity. Humidity. Dampness. Dampness. Germs. Germs. Veggies. Veggies.